Haters are gonna hate but ignore calmly. Negativity ella talibidu hogli. Focus on what you dream and don't worry baby. Positivity ninna lift madu baby. Life is very short thamma, always be happy. Very many problems will come and go, mari chill madu masti.